Would you like to learn business English so you could read formal letters or discuss business with your partners? Would you like to improve your formal English so you can read articles or discuss some social topics? Welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Natalia. Would you like to be able to manipulate your projects using Microsoft Windows 10 in English? Then continue watching this video. To manipulate your projects is to affect your projects. To start Windows 10, you turn on your computer. Sometimes you click your username, type your password, and press the Enter key. To turn on your computer is to start the operation. The Windows desktop appears on the screen. The desktop displays icons such as apps, files, and folders. You see a Start button, File Explorer, and other buttons on the taskbar. When you click the Start button, the Start menu opens. To click, to press. When you select an object, you see the pointer. To point to or click that object. The object is highlighted when it changes its color. To open an app or folder, you need to double-click it. Click the left mouse button twice in quick succession, one after another. You can double-click the recycle bin and see its contents. The recycle bin holds deleted items until you remove them permanently. Remove permanently, take away for all time. You right-click when you click an object with the right button. Right-clicking selects an object and opens its shortcut menu which lists actions you can take with that object. Cut, copy, paste, delete. You can drag an object on the desktop when you click it and then press and hold on the mouse button while moving the mouse. Drag an object to pull an object. Because only one app is active at a time, you need to switch between apps if you want to work in one or the other. To switch between apps to change from one app to another. After you open a window, you can manipulate it. You click the Minimize button on the title bar to shrink the window. After that, you should click this button to redisplay the window. To redisplay the window, to show the window again. You click the Maximize button to maximize the window. You click the Close button to close the window. The ribbon is located at the top of a desktop app window immediately below the title bar and is organized into tabs, File, Home, View, and so on. To navigate your computer, you use the navigation pane on the left side of File Explorer windows. To display content out of view, you use vertical scrolling here. You can either scroll down or scroll up to navigate, to move around. By default, the navigation pane organizes computer resources into 4 categories. Quick access for locations you access frequently, downloads, desktop pictures, OneDrive, this PC for the folders, drives, and devices on your computer, and network, by default according to settings. A computer can store folders and files on different types of disks. A hard disk is the most popular type of computer storage. It is housed in a drive C inside the computer. Computer storage, space available for storing something. To house, to provide space for. DVD, a digital video disc, can be housed in a drive D. USB flash drive is also called a flash drive or USB drive. It can be housed in drive E. When you create and save files on your computer hard disk, you should store them in subfolders. You should create subfolders within the main folder to separate files in a way that makes sense for you. When you're finished working in Windows 10, you should always turn it off properly. Turn it off to stop. You can turn off Windows 10 using the Power command on the Start menu. When you click the Power command, you can choose the Sleep Shutdown or Restart option. If you're using a computer on the job, your organization probably has a policy about what to do when you're finished working on the computer. If another person might use your computer shortly, you may need to send out a Windows 10 to protect your data and prepare the computer for someone else to use. To protect your data to save important information. To send out a Windows 10 is to conclude use of computer system. Click your user icon on the Start menu and then click Sign Out. Practice time. Complete the sentences using the words and expressions in the box. Answers. Yesterday, I saved a few files from my computer on a removable disk. I considered possible ways to organize the files. I decided to organize them logically into subfolders. First, I created subfolders I needed. One contained financial data, the other one contained my creative work, and the last one contained information about my upcoming vacation. Next, I renamed files. Finally, I sorted the files by date modified. In the comments below, write how many right answers you have. Do you prefer to store folders on the hard disk or flash drive? Do you sort files by date modified? Do you store your files within the Documents folder on your job? Subscribe to my channel and press the like button below. Thank you. Bye-bye.